the top benefits to OmniDeck would be the strength of the product. It's the strongest stadium turf protection system on the market, durability and product longevity, the lifespan, expected lifespan of the product, the efficiency from an operational standpoint. So the amount of material you can fit on a truck, storage space, and maybe most importantly, labor efficiency. So the fastest installing stadium turf protection product on the market. So the primary application for OmniDeck is stadium turf protection for both natural and synthetic turf, but really it can be used to protect almost any sensitive surface. So applications are almost limitless when it comes to OmniDeck.
We looked at everything and it was determined that a puzzle piece design would be best for laying out in multiple directions, which would allow for faster installs and easier installs for our customers.
Because you can flip the panels, turn the panels, and start from the middle of the field and work your way out, it allows you to install much quicker.
Everything was incorporated into the mold design, so you have handholds on the bottom to help for ergonomics for customers to carry panels. And then we molded in the features for the lock logos and all that, so they're permanent. Getting the idea is taking all the voice of customer research and converting it into a physical product in the end. Our third-party testing showed that OmniDeck can hold up to 600 psi.
So by having the strongest material on the market, it's a limitless application essentially for the end user.